Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. In this video I'm going to do a quick review of the Canon camera SX500S. The camera comes with multiple buttons but also with a backside display screen, and also it comes with a flash and also a 330x lens zoom. The camera in the back has few buttons: the red one for turning on video, one for previewing videos and pictures, one for deleting, additional ISO function, flash and menu, and the ISP. Also the camera comes with a quite big display to preview your pictures or your videos while taking them or even before taking them. From the top, the camera has the classical power on and off button, a zoom button, zoom in and zoom, which you can use for zooming in and zooming out. Also it has the button for taking picture or starting the video, and also the in green you have the multi settings button, which allows you to pass from manual to auto to live, and also to take pictures and videos, and also to change the quality of the videos. From the front, the camera has a lens and ability of zoom of 30x IS, and it has 4.3 to 129 millimeter. From the side, the camera has two USB plugs, one classical and special one. They both come usually within the box of the camera. From the bottom, the camera has a plug for standalone or for tripod for stabilizing and taking pictures or videos, and also it comes with a battery which lasts quite for a good time. I was quite surprised with it, and it comes with 3.7 volt and 1000 milliampere hour. The camera has the capacity to handle up to 64 gigabit SD card, and it takes really very good pictures and videos. I will let you with some of the pictures which I have taken using this camera.